Hi, Anib. Hi, Miss Nikki. We wanted to wish you a very happy Teacher Appreciation Week, and so we made you this little video. We hope you enjoy it. Okay? Julia and I are gonna sing a song. Ready? I love you. A bushel and a peck. A bushel and a peck. And a hug around the neck. A hug around the neck. And a barrel and a heap. A barrel and a heap. And I'm talking in my sleep about you. About you. I love you. A bushel and a peck. You bet your pretty neck I do. Da 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 da. Okay, so we appreciate so many things about you, and Mr. Will too. And one of the things we appreciate most is that you've gotten Julia really excited about reading, right? Is that you reading a book? And every time I say to Julia, this is the author, she knows to say it's the person who wrote the book. That's right. So that's, and then we appreciate all of the effort you've taken to expose Julia to new things. There she is with her favorite horse, RT, right? And we appreciate how proud she is of herself now because of everything you guys have done for her. And of course, we've gotten to meet such an amazing little group of friends who've meant so much to us throughout the years. And we're going to miss our friends next year, but we appreciate everything you've done to sort of bring us together as a cohesive group. And okay. And all of the outings that we've gone on, most of which I don't have pictures of because you guys went without me. But here Julia is at Special Olympics. I guess it was last year or maybe 2 years ago. And we just definitely appreciate everything that, whoops, I don't know why that one didn't work. Okay, but anyway, we appreciate everything that you all have done for us. There it is. Throughout the years, and I don't have a lot of pictures of you, Miss Christine or Miss Nikki, and that actually says a lot because you guys are always the ones taking the pictures and giving love to our kids, and you never really ask for very much in return. And I just wanted to say that my girl has so much more of a bubbly personality, and she's so much more proud of herself, and she's so much more confident, and wherever we go next year she's going to take that with her, and that's because of you guys. So thank you once again. Say I love you.